For moving on at the Miss Universe Philippines results, so now let's move on to a candidate that we are discovering for a Miss Grand Philippines win. She's none other than Miss Anita Rose Gomez of Zambales. Well, as a pageant fan, nakikitaan ko siya ng may potential siya sa Miss Grand Philippines. So tanong ko lang sa inyo guys, meron pa bang Miss Grand Philippines show ngayong taon prior to the Miss Grand International show? Nagbo-boycott na ba ang Miss Grand Philippines sa Miss Grand dahil wala pa tayong corona at unplaced ang Philippines last year? So with that said, sana ang Miss Grand Philippines organization ay hindi mawawala ng pag-asa dahil meron tayong kandidata na malaki ang potensyal na iuuwi ang Golden Crown ng Miss Grand sa Philippines. So, wala nang iba kundi si Miss Anita Rose Gomez. So, nakikitaan ko talaga siya as a pageant fan. Una, siya ay isang pure Filipina beauty. So, ito ang gusto ni Mr. Nawat Itzara Graisil na pure Filipina beauty ang ipapadala ng Pilipinas sa Miss Grand International Pageant. So, Miss Anita Rose Gomez is a pure-blooded Filipina, period. And she stands 5'7" tall. And her physique is a very Filipina beauty. Ang kanyang kagandahan, ang kanyang katawan, very Filipina. And her waist is only 49 cm. Or, when we convert it to inches, it's only 22.7 inch. So, napaka-sexy talaga niya. At saka, bukod sa kanyang pagiging pure Filipina, napaka-intelihente niya. Ang dami niyang medals, certificates sa kanyang pag-aaral mula elementary hanggang siya ay nakatapos ng kolehiyo sa kursong customs. So, napaka-intelihente niya. Alam kong matalino ang batang ito. At saka, ang kanyang pasarela ay napakalinis, lalong-lalo na sa kanyang swimsuit performance. Oh my God! Napaka-ganda niya at nakakabighani ang kanyang performance sa swimsuit. Sa evening gown ng Miss Universe Philippines naman, well, a little improvement will do the very best for her because she has it. She only walks very slow at the competition. That's why she didn't enter into the top 5. But she has a lot of potentials in her. I knew in her heart. And she's also very strong and eager to experience more about the pageantry because as we have known, she grew up competing different pageants locally and nationally here in the Philippines. So I think her dedication and her commitment being a beauty queen is so strong, and I do hope all of you guys will support Miss Anita Rose Gomez, and we are calling for her to join Miss Grand Philippines if there is a competition to be held this year. So that's it, my friends, and I hope you will support Miss Anita Rose Gomez, and let's all cheer up for her for Miss Grand Philippines. Looking forward to you, my dear queen. God bless you, and to all of you guys.